Welcome to my channel, Learn Computer Applications with Shriti.
Hello everyone, I am Shriti Dhulia and today I am going to teach you your third chapter, Number System. First of all, what is a number system? A number system is a system of expressing numbers in different ways, and it is used to perform different operations on the numbers in different ways. There are different types of number systems such as binary number system, decimal number system, octal number system and hexadecimal number system, in which decimal number system is most popular number system. It has 10 as its base. This number system you use in your mathematics and day-to-day calculations. But our computer cannot understand decimal number system. As you all know, computer only understands machine language, and machine language is written in binary code. Binary code consists of only two digits or two symbols, which are 0 and 1. 0 and 1 are called binary digits. These are binary digits. These are used to write machine code or machine language. It is very easy for a computer to process the data written or the code written in binary language or in machine language. But it is very difficult for us to do calculations in binary number system because it is very long and tiresome. So we use decimal number system for calculations. Binary number system has base 2. It has base 2. Decimal number system has base 10. Octal number system has base 8 and hexadecimal number system has base 16. The base of a number system decides how many symbols or how many digits the number system contains. For example, binary has base 2, then it contains only 2 digits. Decimal has base 10, it consists of 10 digits. These digits are from 0 to 9, means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Total number of digits is 10. Octal number system consists of 8 digits from 0 to 7, and hexadecimal number system consists of 16 digits or 16 symbols, which are from 0 to 9 and from A to F, where A means 10, B represents 11, C represents 12, D represents 13, E represents 14 and F represents 15. From 0 to 15, total 16 digits. Hexadecimal consists of 16 digits. So these are the 4 types of number systems. I am giving you example of these number systems. Example of binary number system. For example, 1 0 0 1 1 0 and its base is 2. Next, for example, I am giving example of decimal number. The simple numbers, for example, the number 250. It has base 10. Next, octal number, for example, number 345. It has base 8. Example of hexadecimal number system is 2D3, base 16. Now, I will tell you how to convert one number system into another. Binary to decimal conversion. For example, binary number is 1 0 0 1 1 0. Now I have to convert this number into decimal number. To do this, I will write the digits from right to left. For example, 0. Then I will multiply the base from power 0. Then plus, then next digit 1 into base and power 1. Then third digit from right side 1 into base power 2. Next digit 0 into base power 3. 0 into base power 4 and 1 into base means 2 to the power 5. Now we can calculate the number 2 to the power 5 means 32. 0 into anything 0 plus 0 plus 4 plus 2 plus 0. Now add these numbers. Base 10, and this number is converted to decimal number system. So this is how we convert binary to decimal. In similar manner, we will convert all other means the octal and hexadecimal into binary. Now I am converting octal to decimal. For example, octal number is 345, which has base 8. Now I will convert it into decimal. To convert it, again I will write last digit into base to the power 0, then next digit 4 into a to the power 1, then 3 into a to the power 2. Now I'll calculate these numbers. 3 into 64 plus 32 plus 5 into 1. 5 is equal to 229 base 10. This is decimal number system of 345. Now we will convert hexadecimal into decimal. For example, the number is 2d3 base 16. Then to convert this, I will write the numbers from right to left. 3. Multiply it with the base power 0 plus d. D means 13. As I told you before, D represents 13 in hexadecimal into 16 to power 1 plus 2 into 16 to the power 2. Now I am going to calculate it. 2 into 256 plus 13 into 16 plus 3 into 1 is equal to 512 plus 208 plus 3 is equal to 723 base 10. This is converted to decimal. This is 723 is decimal of 2d3. Now we will learn how to convert decimal into binary. Decimal to binary conversion. Now you know how to convert binary to decimal, and now I'll tell you how to convert decimal to binary. It is also easy. For example, the decimal number is 83. You have to write this number and divide this number with the base. Base of binary 2 and 2 4 ja 8. 2 4 ja 8. You will write 4 here, and 2 1s are 2. Carry 1. As you cannot divide 3 by 2, then you will divide 2. 2 1s are 2. Carry 1. Again divide with 2. 2 2s are 4. And 0. Remainder 1. Again divide by 2. 2 10s are 20. Remainder 0. Again divide by 2. 2 5s are 10. Remainder 0. Again divide by 2. 2 2s are 4. Remainder 1. 2 1s are 2. and remainder 0. Now, to write the binary of this number, you will write the digits from here to here. Means binary of 83 will be 1 0 1 0 0 1 1. Means you have to write it upward. And base 2. So this is how you convert decimal number into binary number. Now I will tell you about binary arithmetic. Binary arithmetic means how will you add or subtract binary digits. As you know, there are only two digits, 0 and 1. Then we will see what comes when we add 0 with 0, 0 with 1, 1 with 0 and 1 with 1. So 0 plus 0 in binary is 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 0 is also 1. But 1 plus 1 is 0 and carry 1. For example, I am going to add two numbers 1 0 0 0 1 1 with 1 0 1 0. One plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 0 and 1 carry. Now 1 plus 0, 1 and 1 plus 0, 1. 0 plus 1, 1, 0 and 1. This is how you do addition of binary numbers. Now we will learn binary subtraction. Subtracting one binary number from other. In subtraction, 0 minus 0 is 0, 1 minus 0 is 1, 1 minus 1 is 0, but 0 minus 1 is 1, and also it will borrow 1 from the left bigger number. So let us take an example. For example, 1 0 1 0 minus 1 0 0. 0 minus 0, 0. 1 minus 0 is 1. 0 minus 1 is 1. But it will borrow 1 from the bigger number and it will become 0. Then answer is 1 1 0. This is how we subtract one binary number from the other. Next is binary multiplication. It is same as you multiply in mathematics. Binary multiplication. Here 0 into 0 is 0, 0 into 1 is 0, 1 into 0 is also 0, and 1 into 1 is 1. Let us take an example. For example, I am multiplying 1010 with 101. So 1 into 0, 0, 1 into 1, 1, 1 into 0, 0, and 1 into 1, 1. Next, 0 into 0, 0, 0 into 1, 0, 0 into 0, 0, and 0 into 1, 0. Next, 1 into 0, 0, 1 into 1, 1, 1 into 0, 0, and 1 into 1, 1. Now you will add, as I told you, how to add numbers in binary. Answer is 110010. This is how we multiply one number with other in binary. And last one is binary division. This is also same as mathematics. Let us take, first I'll tell you, when we will divide 0 from 1, answer will be 1, and when we will divide 1 by 1, answer will be 1. And as you know, we cannot divide by 0. Let us take an example. For example, I am dividing 1010 by 101. As you do in mathematics, 101 into 1, 101. This is 0 and 101 zeros are 0. So this is your answer. Means when you will divide 1010 by 101, then answer will be 10. So this is how your computer do arithmetic calculation, means binary addition, binary subtraction, binary multiplication, and binary division. This is all for today. For more videos on your chapters, subscribe my channel.